Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Santander Consumer USA. If you don't have a Santander Consumer USA account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page, then click on Sign In. Here, you will see a button that says Sign Up for Online Access. Click on Sign Up for Online Access. Now, select which account you're signing up for, either personal account or commercial account. Then enter your account number and date of birth. After entering, click on Next. Now, read the terms and conditions. Once read, click on the tick box to confirm that you have read and agree to those terms. Then click on the Accept All button. To create an account, enter the email address and username you wish to use. Then click on Next. Now create a password for your account. After entering, click on Next. Next, to set your security questions, choose from the options provided. After that, enter your answer on the field provided. Then click on Next. On the Statements Preferences tab, select how would you like to receive your statements, either electronic or paper. Click on the radio button to select. After selecting, click on Next. That's how you sign up for Santander Consumer USA. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.